What's going on, y'all? I'm about to show y'all the strategy on NAS100 on the minute 15. This is one of my favorite strategies for NAS. I got different strategies for NAS, but you know what I'm saying, I always usually do it on the buy. Usually NAS is always buying up. I mean, sometimes it sells and buy right after. I say it sells a little bit and then buys after. Reason why is because Nasdaq is an index with different companies under, like Apple and, you know what I'm saying, Tesla itself. And, you know, people always buy iPhones and, you know what I'm saying, Apple products in general, you know what I'm saying, Tesla cars, just, you know what I'm saying, because they're materialistic and, you know what I'm saying, they're popping right now, especially in this generation. So I'm going ahead and go start. I'm gonna show you my strategy. I'm gonna go back to May 1st. Okay, all right. So I usually wait for it to drop at least 7 to 12 candles on a minute 15, and I'm talking about big red candles, not the retracement candles. So as you look right here, before the tweezer top, right there, I'm gonna count that candle. That red candle, 1. Skip these 3, and then I'm gonna do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See right there, it's starting to buy up a little bit, but then the gap down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then it formed that long candle right there. So look, it started to buy up from 8,576, 8,570, 8,587. I'm gonna say that 8,587 right there on that line. So you could have bought all the way up here, and once you start seeing, you know what I'm saying, them 2 red candles right there forming right there, you could have hopped out. You know what I'm saying? It's all about taking your pips and dip. You know the market is very volatile, especially NAS100. So stay out of 01. Only do it if you got $350 to $400 in your account. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to lose your account. You don't want to blow it. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, retrace down, but it start buying up more. Look, you could have hopped out right there again, but at the same time, you can count your red candles right there, or you can keep riding up because you know it's gonna keep going up from this part, from this entry point. So for the people that did hop out the trade, I'm gonna count the candles again from this top, since 2 red long candles formed. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6. That's even 6 candles and it start going up. You see what I'm saying? And then it dropped a little bit again. That's about 5 red candles. You know what I'm saying? Retrace 5 red candles. And then it started going up even more. Look at that. Another bundle of candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 red candles. You know what I'm saying? And it still went up. Look at that. Some of y'all will hop out right there. You know, 2 big red candles forming right there. And then look, it rolled up all the way up here. All the way up. You got your red candles right there again, the big red candles. Now it's at 9. Let's stop right here first of all. It's at 9:27. So some people that like to hold long trades, remember it started from all the way back here. That gap down, and then, you know what I'm saying, you bought it from right there. That's 8,587. You know what I'm saying? You could have rolled it all the way up to 9,027. It dropped big red candles again, 2 big red candles. It bought up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Bought up a little bit again. Right there, bought up, gapped up. You You know what I'm saying? You count your red candles again from here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. It still was buying up, you know what I'm saying? It still was buying up. It's still buying up from all the way back there, from where I entered in. I would have held that. Sometimes I hold trades like that. So now this is a good, you know what I'm saying, start over point. You know what I'm saying? You see more red candles in the mix. So you know what I'm saying, you're gonna count them again. We got 9, 0, 12. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 red candles. You know what I'm saying? You can even wait for your 7th red candle right there for confirmation. It dropped another candle, but it rolled up again. Same thing right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 7. Right there, the 7th red candle right there. And then it bought up. Another bundle. The first one, indication right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I'm saying? Bought up a little bit. That's the 6th red candle right there. Bought up a little bit, retraced up again. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the 10th red candle right there. And of course it did its thing and bought back up. Same thing right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it bought up. Same thing right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bought up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And then it did its thing up there. It bought up all the way up there. Y'all get the point. We gonna go to the monthly just to show y'all how long it's been buying up. This is long term, so every candle represents a month. So this is the monthly right here. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And so on down. Look at that. So look at that. All the way back here. Every candle is a month. Remember that. It had its bad dude right there. But look at that. Since all the way back from March 2000. No, I'll even say July 2002, around there. It's been buying up ever since. And we in 2020. Come on now. It's gonna keep buying up. It's gonna keep doing this thing.